about the cannonball guy? David Smith.
David the Bullet.
David the Bullet.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Welcome to the Calgary Stampede.
Yeah, I'm recording it.
Woo! About who I am and what we're out here doing today. David Smith Jr. I'm a second generation human cannonball. See, this cannon I'm standing on now was designed and built by my father, who's been a cannonball for over 35 years. When I was just a little boy, I watched my daddy out doing the same thing I'm doing here today. I also watched him break a Guinness World Record for the longest human cannonball shot in history. I'm very proud to say that since that day, the world record has never left the family. Now, between my father and I, we made it a family tradition to do the biggest and highest cannon shots that we can. My career has spanned 14 years. I've logged over 5,000 plus cannon shots in 10 countries around the world. And I gotta say, that it took me 14 years to finally merit an invite to the Calgary Stampede, and I'm very proud to be here today. Really cool. The shot that I'm about to attempt now is 150 feet from the end of this cannon barrel to where I hope to come crashing safely into the blue landing net. You can all plainly see just how far away the netting is. What you haven't seen yet is how steeply we're going to point this cannon barrel up into the air. For launch, it's going to get a full tilt up to 50 degrees. Once the cannon is in the firing position, I'm going to slide down inside to the very bottom of the 35-foot barrel and prepare myself for a blast that will fire me from 0 to about 80 kilometers an hour in the first 1/5 of a second. Now, the years of training and all those shows under my belt allow me to climb inside of a cannon and have both my body and my mind ready for the forces and the conditions that are going to be put on the inside this gun. When the cannon fires, we've got about 9 times the force of gravity. And today, on a windy day like this, I am going to get a significant amount of drift as I head toward my landing target. Now, on my way to the target, I need to spot the landing, exactly where I'm going to be headed, and to get a full somersault to land safely in my back, which is really the only way that I'm physically tough enough to withstand the impact of the net. Now that netting is the only thing between myself and a very rough landing out here at the showground. So this time, I'm going to take one last look at the landing net, make sure that it's ready to catch me. While I do that, what do you guys say we fire up the cannon and get it ready for launch? Are you guys ready?
Thank you. lucky out here.
First time for everything.
I hope he makes it.
Hopefully, it's not the first time ever having an accident. What's going to happen to him?
If you had an accident, you'd get really hurt, maybe die.
Blood on his back.
Yeah.
Paralyzed for life.
Crazy.
How does he aim it?
This guy's insane.
How does he aim? Serious.
Oh, wait.
How does he aim again and
He already aimed it. They just put it in its spot.
Bowling man!
Cannonball man. Oh, he's inside.
Can you even see it?
Hey, you gotta do the countdown.
Oh.
4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, crazy!
Did you catch him?
Oh yeah! Kiss the ground. And,
He was in the air so long.